Good day, dear children. Today, let's start with the new lesson of Standard 8. Equation in one variable. It's on your textbook page number 75. Equations in one variable. In this lesson, we will study what is equation, why it is said to be in one variable, and how to solve that equation. That we have to study in today's part. These all things we are going to study in today's lecture. Let's know first what is equation. I'll give you an example of x minus 12 is equal to 29. There's one equation, x minus 12 is equal to 29. Now this throughout an example is called as an equation. Why? Equation means to make it equal. We have is equal to sign, we have left hand side and we have right hand side. So it is an equation. Why it is in one variable? Since only one letter is there. We have only x here. We don't have y, we don't have z, no p, no q, no other variable. Variable means letter. No other letter apart of x. We have only x. Therefore equation in one variable. It is said as variable in an equation. A letter is said to be a variable in an equation. So in this equation, x is the variable. And this equation is in one variable. It is having is equal to sign in between with left side also, right side also. So it is said to be an equation. Let's understand how to solve this equation now. Okay, we will understand how to solve this equation. We have x minus 12 is equal to 29. To find out the value of x, that means we have to remove this 12 from here. We want x is equal to what? That we have to find out. So x is equal to something. To find out that, this 12 has to be removed. This is already in negative part. So how to remove this minus 12? If you add 12 to minus 12, 12 and 12 will get removed, isn't it? So therefore, x minus 12 is equal to 29 will remain as it is. We have to remove this minus 12. So what I will do? I will do plus 12. If I am using plus 12 here, I have to use I have to use plus 12 to the right side also. Now be careful that any operation you are using to your left side, same has to be used to your right side. I am using plus 12 to my left hand side, so I have to use plus 12 to my right hand side also. Now why? Equation means what? It has is equal to sign in between. That means x minus 12, whatever the value will be here to the left hand side, same value will be to the right hand side also. It is like a weighing balance. How do we have weighing balance? It has a needle right in between and two pans are present, one to the left side, one to the right side. In one of the pan, weight is put. Suppose 2 kgs of weight block is put in that one pan. Second side we have to put some grains, either wheat, either jawar, either bajra, etc. So when I will put 2 kgs of wheat, at that time only the needle which is present right in the center will be straight. Or if 2 kgs of weight block is put to one side of pan and another pan if 1 kg is put, one of the side will go down. Whichever is heavier side will go down. That is weight block side will go down and grain side will go up. We don't want like that. As it is an equation, we want both sides to be equal. And therefore, as I am using positive 12 to my left side, I have to use positive 12 to my right side also. You can't even do any changes. You are using 12 here, you cannot use 15, 18, 13, no. If you are using 12 here, you have to use 12 here also. If you are using plus 12, you have to use plus 12. I hope it is clear to you now. Now, this minus 12 and plus 12 will become 0. They have cancelled now. Minus 12 plus 12 becomes 0. So only x remains here. X is equal to, this becomes 0, x plus 0 is x, or x minus 0 is also x. Now 29 plus 12 is 41. It is 41. By mistake I had written there 31. So answer of 29 plus 12 is 41. Hope it is clear. Let's take few examples from the textbook now. Fill in the boxes to solve the following equations. Kindly open your textbook, page number 75. First example. X plus 4 is equal to 9. X plus 4 is equal to 9. We have plus 4, so with whom we are going to adjust? Minus 4. Therefore, x plus 4 is equal to 9 remains same. What we will do? We will do minus 4 here. Same way we will do minus 4 to the right side also. This plus 4 and minus 4 cancels. Only x remains. X is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. Clear? Second example. X minus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, x minus 2 remains same, is equal to 7 also remains same. We have minus sign here now. Here we have plus. Now we have minus 2. So, when are we going to remove that minus 2? If you add 2, then minus 2 and plus 2 will become 0. So, if you are using plus 2 here, we have to use plus 2 here also. Therefore, x is equal to 7 plus 2, 9. Answer is 9. Third example. X upon 3 is equal to 4. Now pay attention. We had addition here and subtraction here. For addition who helps? Subtraction helps. For subtraction who helps? Addition helps. So that we can make the values here 0 and only value of x is found. Here also only value of x is found. But what about numerator and denominator now? Now 3 is in denominator. That means it is a division part now. Can we make 3 minus 3 0 here? No. We cannot make 0 here. Why? Any number divided by 0, we cannot find out the value of that. So if I make 0 here, I will not be able to find out the value of x. But what is asked? Find the value, no? Solution of that equation. Solution of that equation means I want the value of x. If I make 0 here, I could not find out the value of x. So I will not use that method. What we will do now? This 3, when it will be made 1, that time x upon 1 means only x. But when it will become 1, x upon 3 is equal to 4. Remaining things will remain same. Multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. As I am using multiplication sign to the left hand side, same I have to use to the right side also. X upon 3 multiplied by 3. This 3 is in the numerator. Therefore, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. X into 1 is equal to x. X upon 1 is also equal to x. So, value remains x is equal to 4 3s are 12. Fourth example. Four x is equal to 24. 4x is equal to 24. Now, in this previous example, we had 3 in the denominator, in the division part. Now, here we have 4 in the numerator. In multiplication part, 4x means what? 4 multiplied by x, isn't it? So, what we will do to remove 4? We will use upon 4 for the left side also and right side also. Therefore, 4x is equal to 24 will remain as it is. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. X upon 1 is equal to x. X multiplied by 1 is equal to x. Therefore, value of x is equal to 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. So that's the required answer. Through these all examples, we come to know that plus and minus interchange with each other for adjustment. Same way, multiplication and division help each other. You have to use multiplication operation when division is given. When division is given, multiplication can be used. But when division is given, subtraction or addition cannot be used. Is it clear? I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you.